What if I told you the pyramids are so ancient? Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than to their construction. To put it in perspective, Khufu's pyramid aligns to true north with such precision that it's only 1/20th of a degree off, about as accurate as a millimeter per meter across 13 acres. How did they get it so perfect? Some theories suggest they used the sun's equinox path, perfectly aligned with east and west once a year. And this wasn't just on the outside. The pyramid's inner construction is precise to an astonishing degree. The blocks fit so tightly that even a razor blade couldn't slip between them. And in the king's chamber, some granite blocks weigh up to 80 tons. Now imagine the task: 2.3 million stones, each weighing about 2.5 tons, transported with only copper saws and simple tools. This isn't just impressive, it's almost beyond belief. Think skyscrapers are impressive? The Great Pyramid weighs 12 times as much as the Burj Khalifa, an astonishing 6 million tons. It was the tallest structure on Earth for almost 4,000 years. Originally, the Great Pyramid was covered in smooth white limestone, reflecting sunlight like a beacon. Rumor has it the capstone was gold-plated, but a devastating earthquake in the 1300s damaged it, with stones repurposed and possibly even the golden capstone lost forever. What's even more fascinating, inside these grand pyramids, there are no hieroglyphs, no paintings, no treasures, nothing like what you'd find in a typical tomb. Compare that to places like the Tomb of Unas or the Valley of the Kings, where hieroglyphs and art cover nearly every inch, guiding pharaohs to the afterlife. Believe it or not, only a few ancient texts even mention the pyramids. Our best clue? Some papyrus fragments from 2013 that hint at limestone deliveries on the Nile. Inside the pyramid, things get even more mysterious. Perfectly smooth tunnels slope at 26 degrees, half the external wall angle, crafted with unmatched precision. And recently, imaging revealed a hidden chamber, still untouched. What makes the pyramid even more astonishing? Its dimensions seem to encode constants like pi and the golden ratio, proving the ancients' mastery of geometry. To create wonders like this, the ancient society must have been incredibly organized. Herodotus, visiting in the 5th century BC, estimated 100,000 men built them. The Great Pyramid is usually attributed as a funerary monument to the pharaoh Khufu. He was seen not just as an earthly ruler, but a divine one. That the will of one man to live forever in stone could mobilize an entire population is daunting to imagine. While countless questions remain unanswered about their construction, one undeniable truth persists: these structures were built to defy time itself.